Oral sex, the act of stimulating a partner's genitals using the mouth, lips and tongue, has long been a subject of both curiosity and taboo. Before continue, please hit the subscribe button for upcoming videos. Thank you. Despite the stigma often attached to it, oral sex is a common and widely practiced form of sexual expression that can enhance intimacy, pleasure, and connection between partners. Understanding its dynamics, benefits, and potential risks is essential for a healthy and fulfilling sexual life. The dynamics of oral sex. Oral sex encompasses a range of activities, including cunnilingus, stimulation of the vulva and clitoris, fellatio, stimulation of the penis, and analingus, stimulation of the anus. Each act involves different techniques and considerations. Cunnilingus involves the use of the mouth, lips, and tongue to stimulate the clitoris, labia, and vaginal opening. The clitoris, with its high concentration of nerve endings, is a particularly sensitive area and a key site for pleasure. Techniques can vary from gentle licking and sucking to more vigorous movements, depending on the receiver's preferences. Communication is crucial to ensure the experience is pleasurable for both partners. Fellatio involves using the mouth to stimulate the penis, focusing on the gland's head and shaft. Techniques can include licking, sucking, and using the hands in combination with the mouth. The level of pressure, speed, and use of additional sensations such as temperature. Play can vary widely, as with cunnilingus. Communication and attentiveness to the partner's responses are vital for a positive experience. Analingus or rimming involves oral stimulation of the anus. This act requires particular attention to hygiene due to the risk of bacterial transmission. Proper cleaning before engaging in analingus is essential. The practice can be highly pleasurable for some due to the concentration of nerve endings around the anus. Benefits of oral sex. Engaging in oral sex can bring numerous benefits to a relationship and individual well-being. These benefits extend beyond mere physical pleasure and can significantly enhance emotional and psychological intimacy. Enhanced intimacy. Oral sex requires a high level of trust and vulnerability. Partners must feel comfortable and safe with each other, fostering a deeper emotional connection. This intimacy can strengthen the bond between partners, contributing to a more satisfying and secure relationship. Increase sexual satisfaction. For many, oral sex is an integral part of sexual satisfaction. It can be a powerful tool for arousal and orgasm, providing different sensations and forms of stimulation that penetrative sex alone may not achieve. This variety can lead to a more fulfilling sexual experience. Improved communication. Engaging in oral sex often necessitates open communication about desires, boundaries, and preferences. This dialogue can improve overall sexual communication, making it easier for partners to express their needs and desires in all aspects of their sexual relationship. Risks and considerations. While oral sex can be pleasurable and beneficial, it is not without risks. Awareness and precaution are crucial to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Sexually transmitted infections. Oral sex can transmit STIs, including herpes, gonorrhea, chlamydia, and human papillomavirus. HPV. Using barriers such as condoms for fellatio and dental dams for cunnilingus and analingus can reduce these risks. Regular STI testing and open discussions about sexual health with partners are also essential. Hygiene. Maintaining good hygiene is crucial, especially for analingus. Thorough cleaning of the genital and anal areas before engaging in oral sex can prevent the transmission of bacteria and reduce the risk of infections. Partners should also ensure their mouths are clean and free from sores or cuts to minimize the risk of transmitting or contracting infections. Consent and comfort. Consent is paramount in all sexual activities, including oral sex. Both partners should feel comfortable and willing to participate, without any pressure or caution. Discussing boundaries and respecting each other's limits is essential for a healthy sexual relationship. Techniques and tips. Enhancing the experience of oral sex involves understanding and experimenting with different techniques. Here are some tips to consider. Start slowly. Begin with gentle exploratory touches and movements. Pay attention to your partner's responses and gradually increase intensity based on their cues. Starting slowly allows for a build-up of anticipation and arousal. Use your hands. Combining oral stimulation with manual techniques can enhance pleasure. For fellatio, using the hands to stroke the shaft of the penis, while focusing the mouth on the glans, can provide a more encompassing sensation. For cunnilingus, using fingers to stimulate the G-spot while licking the clitoris can intensify the experience. Experiment with pressure and speed. Varying the pressure and speed of your movements can help find what feels best for your partner. Some may prefer gentle teasing licks, while others might enjoy firmer, more rhythmic motions. Experimentation and feedback are key to discovering the most pleasurable techniques. Incorporate temperature play. Introducing temperature variations can add a new dimension to oral sex. Using ice cubes or warm liquids can create contrasting sensations that heighten arousal. Ensure your partner is comfortable with these sensations and communicate throughout the experience. Stay tuned to your partner. Constantly monitor your partner's reactions and adjust your actions accordingly. Nonverbal cues such as moans, body movement, and changes in breathing can provide valuable feedback. Encourage your partner to vocalize their preferences and guide you towards what feels best. Breaking the taboo despite its prevalence. Oral sex remains a topic shrouded in taboo and misinformation. Breaking down these barriers involves open and honest conversations about its role in sexual relationships. Educating yourself and others. Educating yourself about the anatomy, techniques, and risks associated with oral sex is the first step towards demystifying it. Share this knowledge with partners and peers to foster a more informed and accepting attitude towards oral sex. Promoting a positive attitude. A positive and respectful attitude towards oral sex can help break down societal taboos. Viewing it as a natural and enjoyable part of sexual expression, rather than something shameful or dirty, is crucial for changing perceptions. Encouraging open communication. Encourage open dialogue about sexual preferences and boundaries with partners. Normalizing these conversations can reduce discomfort and stigma, making it easier for individuals to explore and enjoy oral sex without fear or shame. Conclusion. Oral sex, with its potential for pleasure and intimacy, is an important aspect of many sexual relationships. Understanding its dynamics, benefits, and risks can enhance both individual and relational well-being. By promoting open communication, practicing safe sex, and fostering a positive attitude, partners can enjoy fulfilling and satisfying sexual connection. As societal attitudes continue to evolve, the acceptance and enjoyment of oral sex will likely become more widespread, contributing to healthier and more open sexual relationships.